James to drop the charge against you.
There's just so much I'll do for love, darling.
Don't call her darling. In fact, don't ever speak to her again.
Huh.
I don't want you asking that skunk for anything, even if it's from me.
A bully, stubborn, and stupid.
Well, I'm smart enough to be out here and not in there.
For now.
I don't want you to ever see him again, Sam.
I was just
I know you were trying to help. Not like this. Not going to him.
It was a waste of time anyway.
Darling, after all the things we said to each other this afternoon, I'm hurt.
I came because my hearing's going to be soon, and I knew you'd want to be there.
See you soon, darling. It'll be just like old times.
Sam, please, please, can we just go?